This question says, isn't it the point of the LLC limited liability? Plus, there should also have liability insurance on each property. This is the result of a video I did talking about a client that came in that had gone to another attorney for their asset protection. And that attorney dumped millions of dollars in real property, multiple properties in each LLC. So when we talk about limited liability, the idea is that if the LLC gets sued and you have set it up properly and you're following the proper formalities to treat it as an independent legal entity, that the plaintiff of the LLC cannot reach the owners personally and directly. However, one of the problems is that people have a misconception that an LLC just protects everything. Well, the LLC only protects the owners of the LLC from personal liability. But if you have $5 million of assets in one LLC and that LLC gets sued, then yes, all $5 million in theory are at stake. To the next part of your comment, which I think is very smart, shouldn't you have liability insurance on each property? The answer is absolutely. However, there are claims that sometimes are not covered by liability insurance. If you look back through my videos, I did one on the $5 million mold claim, where I have a client who had rented her previously premarital condo to a tenant. It was still in her own name. She didn't think anything of it. And she gets a letter from an attorney saying, I represent your tenant. They have a mold sensitivity lung problem, and they're now permanently disabled, and we're suing you for $5 million. So they said, this is a BS claim. They handed it over to their insurance company, only to be told, oh, I'm sorry, that type of mold claim is not covered by your policy. So you're on your own. So while I love insurance, I think we should all have a ton of it because it helps us sleep at night. The reality is there are certain claims that the insurance company will deny. And if they do, or if the problem is catastrophic enough and the plaintiff gets a judgment for more than your liability coverage, they can still go after the other trust assets. So yes, there is limited liability if you do it right, but don't put too many rental properties or investment properties in one LLC because you do take the chance on losing all of them in a catastrophic event. Hope this helps. Have a great day.